question for you. This question is very interesting for you. Let's come, we start. 2 exponent b plus b is equal to 5. How we calculate the b value is unknown. So look here, this is an exponential function we are using here. First of all, we change this value to the right side, so their sign is also changed here. So we can write 2 exponent b is equal to 5 minus b. Now we divide here these terms on each side, dividing 2 exponent b on both sides of this equation. So 2 exponent b divided by 2 exponent b is equal to 5 minus b divided by 2 exponent b. Both are cancelled. We get here 1 is equal to 5 minus b divided by 2 exponent b. We can write 5 minus b. If we change to the denominator term, this also their exponent is changed into negative. Now it means that we get here 1 is equal to 5 minus b, 2 exponent minus b. Now it means that we are multiplying to the base 2 here, and exponent is 5, multiplying 2 exponent 5 on both sides of this equation. So 1 multiplied by 2 exponent 5 is equal to 5 minus b, 2 exponent minus b into 2 exponent 5. So this will we get here 32 is equal to 5 minus b into, this is our same, so we add the power, so we can write 5 minus b. Now look here, the 2 coefficient is 5 minus b and here is 5 minus b. So here we are using, according to the Lombard W function, we are using is equal to log of E2. Both are cancel this one, so we will get the same result. Here we are applying this result in the place of 32 is equal to 5 minus b into log of e exponent. In the place of v2 we put here this result, log of base e and 2 and 2. This is the value of 2 and exponent is 5 minus b. We have the Lombard function w a dot exponent a, we get here a. According to this function here 5 minus b and required here e. It means that we are multiplying here log of 2, multiplying both sides by log of 2. So we get here 32 log of 2 is equal to 5 minus b log of 2 and e log of 2, a whole exponent is 5 minus b. According to the double exponent rule, mn is equal to a mn. According to this rules we are multiply there. So we can write 32 log of 2 is equal to 5 minus b log of 2 and e exponent here 5 minus b log of 2. According to the apply here, we are applying here. So this we can be write according to the logarithm form. We can write log mn is equal to n log of m. So according to this rules we write this, we will change here, write log of 2 exponent 32 is equal to 5 minus b, and log of 2 e exponent 5 minus b and log of 2. Now we are using here according to the w function apply Lombard w function on both sides of this equation. Log of 232 is equal to w 5 minus b and log of 2 and exponential of 5 minus b and log of 2. So according to this function w a e exponent a, so this will be equal to a. So a is considered, this one is a, this is considered to a, and e exponent, this is considered to a, e. So according to this function we will get 5 minus b and log of 2, log of 2 exponent 32 is equal to 5 minus b log of 2. Now dividing both sides by log of 2. Now dividing both sides by log of 2. So w log of 2 exponent 32 divided by log of 2 is equal to 5 minus b log of 2 divided by log of 2. Both are cancelled. This one 5 minus b is remaining. Log of 2 exponent 32 divided by log of 2 is equal to 5 minus b. If we change here b is equal to 5 minus log of 2 exponent 32 divided by log of 2. So according to the w function, if we find their approximate value, this result is equal to approximately equal to 0.99, and this result is equal to approximately equal to 0.3010. So we substitute this result 0.999 and here 0.3010. So b is equal to 5 minus, if we this one 9. If we subtract, we get 1.71 is the required value of b. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more.
Thank you all, India students today.